3 minutes of cold water can trigger a repair protein spike in your blood. No pills, just a signal. Your body has a built-in repair system. It's been dormant, and cold exposure wakes it up in just 3 minutes. But here's what most people get wrong. You don't need to be a Wim Hof disciple. You don't need to spend 20 minutes in an ice bath. 3 minutes is enough, and the benefits are real. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it safely and what happens inside your body when you do. Heat shock proteins are molecular chaperones. They're proteins that repair other proteins. When your cells get damaged from stress, aging, or disease, heat shock proteins rush in and fix them. Your body makes heat shock proteins all the time, but you make way more of them when your cells experience stress, and cold is one of the most powerful stressors. When you expose your body to cold, your cells sense the temperature drop. They interpret it as a threat, and they activate a survival response. Make more heat shock proteins. And that's where the magic happens, because these proteins don't just repair your cells, they also slow aging, boost immunity, and reduce inflammation. A 2020 study found that people who did regular cold exposure had longer telomeres, the protective caps on your DNA. Longer telomeres mean younger cells. They mean you're literally aging slower. Another study showed that people who took regular cold showers had 29% fewer sick days per year. Their immune system was literally stronger. And inflammation, the root cause of most chronic disease, dropped significantly in people who did cold exposure. Less inflammation means less disease. But here's where most people mess up. They think they need to be extreme. They think they need ice baths and Wim Hof breathing. They don't. The minimum effective dose is 3 minutes. 3 minutes of cold water. That's it. Your cells activate the repair response. The heat shock proteins flood your system, and the benefits start immediately. Cold doesn't mean ice. It means water that's cold enough to make you uncomfortable, usually around 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, or 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. Start with your shower. Turn the water cold for the last 30 seconds. Just 30 seconds. Your body will activate the response, and you won't be shocked. After a week, increase to 1 minute. After 2 weeks, 2 minutes. After 3 weeks, 3 minutes. That's the progression. Your body adapts, and the benefits compound. The best time is in the morning. Cold exposure in the morning activates your metabolism for the entire day. It also primes your nervous system. When you get in cold water, don't gasp. Breathe slowly and deeply. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system. It makes the cold less shocking, and it amplifies the benefits. Do this 3 to 4 times per week, not every day. Your body needs recovery time, and the benefits actually increase with rest days. Important: if you have heart disease, high blood pressure, or any serious health condition, talk to your doctor first. Cold exposure is powerful, and it's not for everyone. But if you're healthy, this is one of the most powerful tools you have. You're literally triggering your body's repair system. You're slowing aging. You're strengthening immunity. You're reducing disease risk, all in 3 minutes. Start tomorrow morning. Turn the water cold for 30 seconds. Feel the shock. Breathe slowly, and know that inside your cells, the repair system is waking up. 3 minutes. That's all it takes. And here's the bonus. Combine this with the other videos. Fix your sleep. Optimize your NAD+. Add cold exposure. Your body becomes a repair machine. You literally get younger. Your body is designed to repair itself. It's waiting for the signal. Cold is that signal. Give it the signal and watch what happens.